I'm Dr. Munir Sancha and I'm an aesthetic physician. I just got this beautiful box from Nestle. So let's see what it contains. There is something written on top of it. Brewing traditions throughout Pakistan. Let us see what it contains. This is everyday milk. We have been using this for years, so this is a great gift. Next, it contains 4 mugs, 4 beautiful mugs. See these mugs. First, second, third, and fourth. I think these mugs represent 4 provinces of Pakistan. बट मेरी गुजारिश है नेस्ले वालों से कि अब प्रोवेंसेस 4 से ज़्यादा हो रही हैं, चुनांचे नेक्स्ट टाइम सेंड मोर देन 4 कप्स